An inspiring address is given by Mr. Edsel Ford.
This company has had a great deal of experience in the course of its 33 years of manufacturing. The principles on which it is founded are pretty sound, and they wear well in all sorts of times.
How does a car company measure greatness? Is it speed? Performance? Trophies and awards? That would be too easy. We measure what matters. The spark of a human heart. The magic of senses awakened. The power of a calm, quiet mind. It's a radical approach for a car company, but from the beginning, Edsel Ford believed that a driving experience could transform the way we feel for the better. We measure success by the people who've come on our journey. The presidents and rock stars, rebels and visionaries, and the everyday explorers and travelers. Greatness starts with the small human details, details that might seem invisible to others, like turning bumps in the road into silky smooth, reducing things like noise and clutter, and doing the unlikely to achieve the impossible. For Edsel, success was not about being liked by everyone, but about being loved deeply by the few. 100 years on, we're launching our greatest transformation yet, a smooth, quiet, electrified vision, connecting the world of the driver with the greater world around us, redefining yet again the measure of a great company.
These principles continue to stand out as lighthouses guiding us into the channels of the future.